Igoti riria riri kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta riathanire atongoria na amemba amwe a kiama kia aruti a wira iharo-ini cia ndege aria maikirio ngono hindi ya mugomo kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta mathie na mbere na kuhingirwo rumande thikũ ingĩ 6. Mucirithania Christine Mukami uria uguthikagiriria ihoya ria kurekererio kuona bail agatua itua muthenya wa kana kiumia giukite.
Personally, I would rather my clients take plea and we continue with this case than holding a carrot and stick against them on an issue that we have actually agreed that they drop the charges unconditionally.
Mauma marekio mataguthomerwo thitango no mauma mathomerwo maundu ma guthingata wona marekio kugerera wakiri wao maregana na murugamo ucio wa igoti.
But that does not mean that they can hold my clients hostage in future. Remember, there are constitutional rights which my clients perennially enjoys. These rights are inherent to them.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia aruti a wira a iharo cia ndege ni umwe wa aria maikitio ngono na nawe ungianirira mugomo ni wathira. Aruti wira aya merumite kini matigucoka wira nginya anene ao marekererio. Mugomo uyu ukioneka gwakiriria thutha wa wabici ya munene wa thitango cia muingi kuga ni kuheana mwerekera wa mahitia maria meguthitangirwo.
The union leadership must exercise caution and be reminded that peace and tranquility must prevail within the airport, and if they so wish to hold meetings, they have many other options, but the airport is not an option.
Aruti wira aya mararegana na riendekithia ria kurehe kambuni ya ndege ya Kenya Airways rugura ruhonge ruria ruramataga iharo cia ndege. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.